Hello guys, welcome back to Sourcify platform. So today in this video we are going to solve a question where you have to get the input of a student and generate a ID card for him. Okay, so the twist is here that you have to get the input of these datas, and based on these datas the first parts are simple actually, but the student ID, here we have to learn something. Okay, uh, so let me erase this. Yeah, so the output will be like that. First one, what is one is actually coming from the year of study. Then D is from the section, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 is coming from the first six number of the registration number. Then IT, okay, IT is coming from the stream. So for that, what we can do, we have to simply at first write the basic structure of C programming. So you all know about that, has include stdio, sorry, stdio dot h. Okay, after that we have to declare a main function like int main, now bracket. Now we have to set the different variables at first and strings. Okay, so for that, at first we have to get the input of what? Input of like at first name, then surname. Okay, then stream. These are stream and then section. So let declare it. So what is the type? Type will be character type. So for that we will use data type as char. At first we have to get the input of a word. So for getting the input of a word, what we will use, we will use the basic concept of string. So let's write the name like name, name. This is the name of the string, and let give the value as 20. It means at most 20 characters can be inputted. Okay, after that we have to get the input of surname. So for that, I am writing the name of the string as is name. Okay, s name. Here also I'm giving the size as 20. Now after surname, what we have to do? Surname, we have to get the input of a stream. So user can also write the stream as information then technology. So we have to care about that. So for that, what we will use, will actually here at first we have to declare a character string, but actually sentence string. Okay, we will use the concept of sentence string. So but the name here we are giving as stream, strem e stream. Okay, okay, so this is the name, and now the size, let the size be 50. Okay, now after that the input type is your stream info. Okay, after that section. So in section we have to just get the input of a character. Okay, because the section cannot be a b, a c, a d combination. It will be a single character. So for that, what we can write, we will discuss about it later, but now we have to write the name can sorry, section, and now the size will be like 2. I am giving just 2 because the character will, there will be only one character stored in this variable. Okay, so at first let's handle with this all. One second. Okay, so So here let's at first handle with the character type string, and then we will deal with the number type like the year of study and registration number. This all belongs to the number type. So let's see what we can do. So at first we have to get the input, or we can say we have to show something to for taking the input to the user. So for that we can simply use printf function. Here we have to write the thing which we can or we want to show the user to take the input. Like at first your name. Okay, your name. Let's close it. After that we have to store the input. For that we will use simply scanf function. Here double inverted comma, inside it what will be the format specifier for the name. As we are getting the input or we are taking the input of a word, because name is the single word, we cannot use the concept of sentence here. Here we will use the concept of taking input of a single word. So for that what we can use percentage s. Okay, and what will be the size? Let's the maximum size will be 20, which we have written here. Okay, during declaring the variables. Now where we have to store at and it means address of what? Name. Okay, after that we have to get the input or take the input of s name, means surname. So for that what we can do, simply write printf. Here your surname, then colon, then semicolon. Okay, okay, so this is actually the output statement, but now we have to store it in sname variable. So for that what we can do, we can use scanf function. Here what will be the format specifier here? Same, because the name and the surname both are a single word. Okay, so here we will also use percentage is format specifier, and the size will be 20. Now comma, and we have to store it at address of her is name. Okay, which we have declared previously. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to get the input of stream. So stream can be a single or yeah, so stream can be a sentence like. Okay, so for that what we can do, you can actually at first we have to instruct or show something to the user for taking the input. So for that we will simply use here the printf function, and here we'll use your stream. Okay, and then colon. Now close it with the semicolon. Now we will use scanf function for storing the value. Now inside the double quote, here what will be the format specifier? Because the name will be a single name, or it can be like if I take an example like history or Bengali or geography, uh, it can be a single name, and it will be in the section of taking us taking the input of single word. But if there is a subject called computer science or like computer application, then what will be it? It will be us. It will be in the category of a sentence. So for that, what we can do, we can use a format specifier for the sentence, like I have told you before. Don't forget to give a space here. Okay. this is for the white space. Now percentage, then the size, and then this bracket, and this side, and slash n. Okay, this is the format specifier. Now where we have to store address of stream. Okay, nice. Oh, the size was actually not 20, it was 50. Okay, so after that, what we have to do, we have to get the input of section. So here at first we have to instruct the user with the help of a text, like what I have given here, like your section. Okay, so for that we will write it here, your section. Now colon, this is only for the styling. Now scanf for storing the value. Now what will be the format specifier here? As the section cannot be more than one character, because we all know section can be A, B, C, D, like that. Okay, the name of a section cannot be like A, B, A, C, A, D. Okay, like D, E. It will be always a single character. Okay, so for that we will use %C format specifier. Okay, and where we have to store address of I think the spelling mistake, section. Okay, so in this variable we have to store. Now let's see if it is taking the input easily or not, if there is a problem or not. So your name, like I'm inputting my name, then enter surname. Okay, enter. Now your stream, like I'm writing okay like this. Oh, there is a problem like in %s. So what is the problem? Let me see, and then I will continue the video. Okay, so here is the problem, is that in section, if I give the size as 2, here I have to give the value but the size I forgot it. So for that there was a problem. Now let's run it. GOURAB, nice. Here the surname is like okay, nice. Stream is into okay, like that. And yeah, so now it is getting the input and taking the input, you can say D, like that. Okay, so you can also keep this like that, there is no problem. Let us test it. Okay, all are okay. Now we are going to take the input of integer type value or string, you can say. So for that what we can do, simply we have to declare integer type string. So int, at first, what year of study. Okay, year of study is the input. So year of study, nice. It can be 1 2 3 4. Okay, because there are only 4 years, but we can also keep the size for it, there is no problem. But now let me write the printf statement for that, for getting the input actually. So printf year of study. YEAR study. Okay, all okay now. Yeah, so after that we have to get the input of your registration number. For that, what we can use, let the name be like your registration number, YRN. Okay, the size will be like 20. We are giving it just as an example. 1 second. Okay, okay, so now we have to write the scanf function. Here the type, actually the format specifier will be what? It will be like a space, then similar percentage, then size, like we have given 20, this bracket, this sign, now slash in. Okay, so this is the format specifier, comma, where we have to store address of YRN. Okay, okay, so let's check if uh, our program is getting the input or taking the input properly or not. Then we will go to the output portion. Okay, so first is correct, second is correct, taking properly your stream, like, yeah, like that, no problem. Your section like D. Now year of study like 1 I am giving. Yeah, year of study. Okay, so but okay, so actually this is incorrect. Okay, here I forgot actually to write the scanf function for year of study. Actually not incorrect properly, but we should not use it. Scanf function for, okay, I think you are confused, so for that I'm doing it from the beginning. Okay, like here at first we have to get the input of year of study. Okay, for that we have written printf year of study, a instruction. Then we have to get the input scanf through scanf function, using scanf function. So what will be the format specifier? Percentage, and then size is 2 and s. Okay, now where we have to store the input. So address of where? YOS, this variable. Now after that we have to get the input of YRN, uh, means your registration number. Okay, for that what we can do, we can at first we have to instruct the user or display the user a message like your registration number. Okay, now close it, sorry, close it, and now scanf function to take or store the input. So here we will use the special type of format specifier. So for that at first we have to give a space. Now we have to write percentage what, let me see if the space is correct. Yeah, this is correct. I was thinking actually that the space is very bigger, so uh, if it is incorrect or not. So here you have to write percentage what. Now the size, like the size I have given is simply 20. Now this bracket, this sign, slash in. Okay, this is the format specifier. Now we have to store the value here, address of YOS. Okay, nice. So after that, let us recheck it. Clear, recheck it. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Okay, this is okay. Year of study, 1, your registration number, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, yeah, so our program is taking the input of each and every value. Okay, every value or every word, every sentence. Okay, now we have to output. So here is the fun. So what we have to do? We have to show the output like that. At first, your ID card, like, yeah, we can show it here. So for showing something or displaying something, what we will use printf function. Now what we will print at first? Your ID card, your ID card, like that. Okay, your ID card. Now we have to display the things. So what are the things? Name, okay, full name, then stream. Okay, let's see how we can display the full name. So for that, simply printf here, full name, then colon, then what? Full name is, what was the type, or you can say the format specifier for the name and the surname. Percentage 20s or percentage 20s, but the actual format specifier was for percentage s, then space, then percentages. Okay, and sorry, I have written it in block letter actually. Now here you have to give a comma. Now first percentage s is for what? In a name. Okay, name, then comma, the second percentage is for s name. Okay, so let's see if it is working fine or not. Okay, before that, let me give a return 0 in the program. Return 0. Okay, now let's see what will happen. Your name, like GOURV, okay, TAS, nice, stream is like IT, section is like T, left side like 1, this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let's see. Yeah, so this is successfully giving us the output of our your ID card. Then yeah, there is a defect, or you can say the bug. So for that, what we can do, we can simply here add a slash in for that it will show full name, this portion in the new line. Okay, and there here is also a bug like extra space. So how we can remove it? We can just here cancel this space. Okay, and without this everything is all okay. Now we have to display. How we can display this? Like what? Stream. Okay, stream then section. This is very easy. Stream. So for that, what we can use? Simply printf function, your stream. Okay, And what was the format specifier for stream? Yeah, this was actually percentage this. Okay, but this is actually what? Actually, this is a string. So we will write percentage s. Okay, so percentage s and then stream. Okay, so let's see if it is running properly or not. Let's rerun the program, run it. Okay, so nice, nice. Okay, now I am giving the input 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so your ID card now full name is Gaurav Das. Yeah, your stream is stream, your stream DT. But why it is showing DT? It should show IT. So let me see what is the problem here. 1 second. Okay, so the problem is here in scanf function of getting the value or the section here. So here we have to remove this 2 and we have to add a space. Now if we run the program, what will happen? Let's see. We run this program. Okay, I'm giving the input, so like okay, this one. Okay, so now all outputs are correct. Like full name, it is showing what we have inputted. Stream, it is showing. Now we have to show. Okay, stream is done. Now we have to show the section and then here of study. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. For section, what we can do, simply printf your section. Okay, is what? Percentage C, because in section this is the format specifier. So let's see if it is giving us the output or not. Section. Okay, now close it. Let's see what will happen. Example. Okay, so all outputs are perfect till now. Now we have to output this number strings. Okay, I got first year of study and then ID. So for that, what we can use, simply same method. We have to use printf function for both. Printf now year of study. And what is the format specifier for YOS? Let's see. Percentages. So percentage s, comma, and YOS. Okay, then close it. After that, printf similarly for ID, double quotation, your ST ID. Let's say this is like that. So what will be this? This will be the combination of some data. Like, what will be the combination? One is the year. So what is the format specifier for the year of study? YOS. So percentage is. Now D. So D was what? Section. So for section the format specifier was percentage C. Now after that, the first 6 characters. So actually, which is storing this first 6 character of student ID? Uh, let's see. I think, yeah. So your YRN, this is actually storing. So what we can do here? Simply percentage is, okay, because this is a string. Now after that, this is the department. So for that, what we can do? Stream, there is stream and there is, okay, so for stream the format specifier is also this, okay. So percentage is. So at first there was year of study, so year of YOS. Okay, so before that we have to give a comma. After that percentage C was for what? Section. So ACC, okay, section. After that percentage S was for what? The first 6 numbers of student ID. So what was it? Student registration number is your registration number, YRN. Okay, so this was YRN. After that, the last was like the last one was stream. So for stream there was percentages. So stream, okay. Let's see what will be the output. Now our program is almost okay. Okay, so let us clear it at first and rerun. Clear something. Okay, so clear it. Okay, now we have to run it. Okay, so for that, here we have to write the name. Now surname. Now stream. Okay, we have inputted the stream, your section. For that I'm inputting D. Year of study is 1. Registration number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, let's see what is our ID card. Full name, okay, this is my name. Stream, all correct. Your section D, okay, there is a bug, I'm fixing it. D is correct. Year of study 1, it is correct. And your student ID, so let's see if it is correct or not. 1, okay, expected. Year of study. D, expected, because there was section after year of study. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think here is some problem, okay, because here we had to show only the first 6 characters. So for that what we can do, um, we have to restore actually, okay, restore this value. So let me see. And the last one is correct, but we have to fix this. Before fixing it, let me fix the bugs of new line character. Slash n. Actually this is a problem which question we are doing made by me, uh, but I made with the purpose so that with the basic knowledge you can understand many things or you can make a interesting thing. Okay, so for that let me see what is the problem, then I will continue the video. Okay, so the bug or our mistake was here. We have to just store the input of first 6 number, but here in your registration number we have written 20. Here we have to change the value to 6 because we have to store only the first 6 number of the inputted registration number and then show it here. Now if we run the program, let me give some spaces before that so that it will look good. And there is also some problem, like here I have written year. Okay, so okay, this is fine, no problem. So now if we run the program, let's see what will happen. Gourab, this is my name, surname Das. Okay, now your stream IT, now your section D, year of study 1, your registration number is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many registration number will be there, but uh, only the first 6 will be stored and considered. Let's see the output. Your ID card, yeah, this is my full name. Your stream, like yeah, all correct, yeah, this is correct. D, year of study 1. Your student ID, let's see if it's generated correct or not. 1. Okay, year of study 1. Then D is for section, the 1 2 3 4 5 6, first 6 characters, although we have entered till 9. Then stream is IT. So if someone write here information technology, then one we or the full form, then what will happen? Then there can be a problem. So for that, what we can write, what we can do, we can simply give an instruction to the user for that, that like your registration number, year of study, where is this, your stream. Okay, so here we can give an instruction to the user by saying that please enter the short form. Okay, now I think all correct. Let's see, finally run our program. Name, surname. Okay, this is instructing us like your stream. Please enter the short form. I'm entering this. Your section. Your section is like, if I give A, year of study is 1. Registration number is random, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like that. Okay, your ID card detail. Gaurav this. Okay, stream section of study 1, student ID generated. Very good, very good. So okay, so I think now the program is all correct. Just we can write after that, we can write an instruction to fulfill it, like here we can write which things we have to enter in capital, like this stream. So stream is where, please enter the short form and in caps. Okay, in caps. After that the section also, please enter in caps. Okay, like that. And Another thing, I think all set. Okay, so let's run the program finally. We are at the end of this video. My name, my surname. It is instructing us like that. Your stream, please enter the short form and in caps. Like, please enter in caps like D. Now, year of study, first, your registration number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 like that, and our ID card is generated. Okay, so I think this is looking cool. So this was the solution of our first problem. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot from this video. If you like this video, do not forget to share with your friends, and if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, then join it as soon as possible. You can also visit our website Sourcify sourcify.000webhostapp.com. Okay, uh, so you can visit it. For any query, you can comment us in this video, and who are in the group, they can also message me. So thank you for watching the video till the end, and good luck for your future. Okay, so till then, take care and bye bye.